Could a tiny peptide hold the key to living healthier, longer lives? Meet GHK-Cu, a naturally occurring copper peptide with remarkable potential for health span and longevity. First discovered in human plasma, GHK-Cu supports wound healing, reduces inflammation, and even helps protect cells from damage. It's already popular in skincare, but new research is exploring its effects on the body as a whole. So, how does it work? GHK-Cu activates thousands of genes responsible for tissue repair and cellular protection. It's like flipping on the body's healing switch, promoting collagen production, reducing inflammation, and shielding cells from oxidative stress, the silent factors behind aging. Who might benefit from GHK-Cu? Aging adults, athletes, and anyone looking to reduce inflammation could find it useful. It's a promising tool for those who want to live healthier as they age. GHK-Cu comes in a few forms: topical creams for skin rejuvenation, injectables for deeper effects, and even oral supplements. But it's essential to work with a healthcare provider to ensure safe and effective use. As exciting as it is, GHK-Cu isn't for everyone. Some people might experience skin irritation or copper sensitivity. And because it's a powerful compound, long-term effects are still being studied. GHK-Cu offers a compelling path to better health and resilience as we age. As science progresses, this tiny peptide may become a powerful addition to our longevity toolkit. Until next time, Peter Marino, signing out.